Students, and you are welcome in class Art 311. Today's topic is rockery or rock garden. Rockery is a part of a garden. By definition, arrangement of rocks and soil in such a fashion that plants can be raised artistically is referred to as a rock garden. Second definition, in a simple term, a rockery is an arrangement of rocks and alpine plants. Rockeries are focal points in the landscape, often created to take advantage of a naturally sloped or terraced area. The suitable plants for developing rockery are: first one is cacti and succulents. There are so many cacti and succulents are available which can be utilized for planting in rock garden, and these are agave, aloe, euphorbia, porocria, kalanche, sansevieria, sedum and yucca. Second categories of suitable plants are ferns. In case of ferns, there are so many fern species are suitable to plant in the rock garden, and these are Dynaria, Nephrodium, Polypodium. And suitable plants categories for rocks is shrubs. There are so many shrubs which can be used in rocks are Adenium ovation, Asclepias corsabica, Brya evenus, Calendra hematocephala, Calestimon lanceolatus, Cassia biflora, Prosendra species, Cupia, Duranta plumai, Lantana siloviana, Ruelia, Rosalia gentiana, Sanchegia nobilis, Puja species, etc. Suitable annuals for rockery are dwarf antirrhinum, alyssum, brachycon, Brauelia elata, candytuft, dianthus, phlox, salvia, verbena, viola, and genia. These are the annuals which can be planted in rocks. Generally, they are drought tolerant. Selection of site for creating a rockery in the garden. For selection of site, you should consider some points, and these are: a rock garden should be situated in an open part of the garden. It is often advised that a shaded corner of the garden should be devoted for making the rock garden. The rock garden should get all the sun possible, or at least for half the day, preferably in the afternoon, preferably in the forenoon. Construction of the rockery. The placement and selection of rocks is an important factor. Rocks should be of local origin, porous, and have a weathered look. Granite is unsuitable, whereas a weathered limestone is ideal. Limestones from the quarry can be used as they weather quickly. Stones of uniform size, having a diameter around 60 cm, should be selected, and a few stems should be as large as can be handled without much difficulty. Rock plants do not grow exclusively on rocks, and hence a good soil is needed for every rock garden. In the hills, there is no problem in selecting the soil, as the natural soil is the best soil there. The soils obtained from where the paths are laid will make the mounds and ranges. In the plains, a soil full of coarse sand, plenty of leaf mold, and well-rotten farmyard manure is quite suitable for most of the plants. In addition to leaf mold, fine compost suitable for rock garden can be prepared from the cutting of the turf by the usual method of composting. Only the few centimeters, that is 15 to 45 centimeters of the top layers of the rockery will have this compost. The subsoil should be well drained and have the property to absorb sufficient moisture. If it is not naturally so, this can be created by adding sand or gravel. The last, management of the rockery. It is very important to give a proper effect to the viewers. In places having a severe winter, delicate plants will need protection. When plants are small, a glass sheet resting on the rocks may be placed over the plants. For larger plants, four strong galvanized wires may be inserted in the ground and the glass placed over this. If the weather is very cold, the sides should also be covered with a glass or polythene sheet so that you may be able to lower down the temperatures inside the rocks. The rock garden should be weeded periodically and all dying or dead leaves and branches are removed. Rock plants are replanted every 4 to 5 years or they may be top dressed every year with a mixture of compost, garden soil, fine sand and leaf mold in equal proportions. Periodically the rock plants may be fed with liquid and other managerial aspects should also be followed, that is giving irrigation, giving proper training and pruning to the plants wherever it is needed, especially for shrubs, and removing of dry leaves, yellow leaves from the rocky area. Thank you.